how to make money with crypto. Now, there are several ways to make money with crypto depending upon which cryptocurrency exchange or platform you're using. Now, first of all, of course, is buying for a certain amount of the price, holding them, and tomorrow when the value increases, you sell them for a certain amount of surplus, or also known as profit. So buying and holding is one of the most basic ways. So let's say today I will bought a Bitcoin for $50,000, one Bitcoin for $50,000. Tomorrow the value increases to $70,000, and when I decide to sell it, the remaining $20,000 is my surplus, which is my profit margin. Now this also involves buying cryptocurrency and holding on to it for the long term, hoping its value will appreciate over time. And this is a relatively passive strategy, but it requires patience and an understanding of the market volatility. Second is trading. Now, cryptocurrency trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies in the short term to profit from price fluctuations. This requires active market analysis and a good understanding of the technical indicators. Mining is also another option because cryptocurrency mining involves using powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems to verify transactions on a blockchain network. Successful miners are rewarded with cryptocurrency. Staking. Staking involves holding on to a specific amount of cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the operations of a blockchain network. In return, you earn rewards in the form of cryptocurrency. And these are just some of the ways that you can make money with crypto. I hope the video was really helpful. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.